Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons, how to sketch, how to use your imagination, and how to become a better artist overall. Well, if you've been seeing all these lessons I've been doing, I have a theme from time to time, and now I just continue on the theme on classic cartoons and classic comic book characters. And this one, of course, is Robin. Yes, he's from the Teen Titans Go Team TV series. Well, Robin's also from the 1960s TV show that I used to watch, Batman and Robin, and I actually met the original actor back then at a Comic-Con. It was really cool meeting him. Well, enough said with that. If you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin our lesson. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.